in the Flowbee haircutting studio. So I thought I'd do a crazy Flowbee haircutting video. This is about 1.5 inch attachment. Let's go ahead and get all this crap off. Let me see if we can do like a mullet cut or something. I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep it, but at least I'm gonna get to that point and see what it looks like, so. So far, still got a ways to go. This takes a while to chop this hair down. Wow. Yeah, so I want this area to be short, and then this mullet back area be on the longer side. Wow, it's actually taking shape. Vacuum did run out of power. It's a cordless, so I gotta recharge that, but take a look here. It's looking like a mullet. I just need to trim the back here a little bit more, but I do like the top length, a little over 1 inch. Wow, I haven't had a mullet since probably 1989. Totally awesome, dude. Okay, so the mullet was short-lived. I'm gonna go ahead now, knock it down with about 3/4 inch. We'll hit this on the sides, make it nice and tight and clean around the ears and the back. Alright, so that took a while, but mullet's gone. Trimmed around my ears, neck with a razor edger, and I'm in business. That was my take on a mullet cut with the Flowbee, and see what happens next, see if my hair grows out and what my next cut might be. Alright, later.